1號戒備信號生效，喺下晝5點，颱風鳳凰集結喺香港之東南大約700公里，即係北緯17.7度、東經118.7度附近。預料向西北偏北移動，時速大約12公里，橫過南海東北部。過去幾個鐘受乾燥嘅東北季候風影響，鳳凰北側嘅外圍對流稍為減弱，但中心附近嘅結構仍然緊密，維持颱風強度。1號戒備信號會喺聽日中午前維持。鳳凰正逐漸轉向偏北方向移動，預料會喺聽晚至星期三初時最接近本港，喺香港以東400公里以外掠過。天文台會視乎鳳凰嘅強度變化以及同本港嘅距離、東北季候風對鳳凰嘅影響以及本地風力，評估係咪需要改發3號強風信號或改發強烈季候風信號。隨後鳳凰會移向台灣一帶，逐漸遠離本港並減弱。喺鳳凰同東北季候風嘅共同效應下，今晚晚間漲潮嘅時候，本港沿岸水位普遍會比正常高大約0.5米，部分沿岸低洼地區喺凌晨時分可能出現水浸，而維多利亞港嘅水位會上升至海圖基準面以上3米左右，海有湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊以及停止水上活動。
The standby signal number 1 is in force. At 5 p.m., Typhoon Fenghuang was estimated to be about 700 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 17.7 degrees north, 118.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move north-northwest at about 12 kilometers per hour, crossing the northeastern part of the South China Sea. In the past few hours, under the influence of the dry northeast monsoon, the outer convections to the north of Fenghuang weakened slightly. However, with the structure near its center still compact, Fenghuang maintained typhoon intensity. The standby signal number 1 will remain in force before noon tomorrow. Fenghuang is turning northwards gradually. It is expected to be closest to Hong Kong between tomorrow night and Wednesday at first, skirting more than 400 kilometers to the east of Hong Kong. Depending on the intensity change of Fenghuang and its distance from Hong Kong, the impact of the northeast monsoon on Fenghuang, and local wind conditions, the observatory will assess the need for issuing the strong wind signal number 3, or the strong monsoon signal. Fenghuang will then move towards the vicinity of Taiwan, departing from Hong Kong and weakening gradually. Under the combined effect of Fenghuang and the northeast monsoon, the water level over the coast of Hong Kong will be generally about half meters higher than normal during the high tide overnight tonight. Flooding may occur in some low-lying coastal areas in the small hours. The water level at Victoria Harbour will rise to around 3 meters above chart datum. There will be swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports.